Hello there, Libra. How are you guys doing today? Welcome to your general reading. Thank you so much for being here today. All right, these are timeless readings, so please trust that the universe has brought you here because there's something in today's card spread that is meant just for you. Whatever it is that may be weighing heavily in your heart or on your mind, please trust that there is a message for you in today's card spread. Here we go. Let's take a look at the bottom of the deck for you today, Libra. You've got, hey, look at that, two of cups. I love it. So many of you may be starting new relationships, something where you are just really connected with the person. Now, if this isn't a love reading for you, like a new friend, new lover, something like that, this could be just you connecting very deeply with another person, like friendship-wise. It doesn't necessarily have to be, you know, a lover type of thing. Friendship, partnerships, that sort of thing. This is something new that you are welcoming in your life. This is a big, nice, kind of warm and fuzzy connection that you're having with someone. So congratulations, I love it. Now, you have to start seeing things differently, right? You have to know that there's more than one way to deal with things and that you are not trapped, you are not bound to anything, right? These are illusions that you may have created for yourself. And so it's time for you to really see things for what they truly are and lift the illusion. So take the blindfolds off and walk forward, because you are not trapped. This is all in your mind, right, with the sword. So these are self-limiting beliefs that you've put yourself in. Go forward with confidence. Many of you are, you know, it's almost like I'm getting a sense that some of you are afraid to let your true self out. You know, show the world who you truly are, because the Queen of Wands is the opposite of being trapped. She is sovereign. She says she is not beholden to anything. She only to herself. She knows her she knows her self-worth. She is not, tied down to anything. She believes in herself. She is so bold and very charismatic, and she doesn't care what anybody thinks. So these two are opposites, whereas this person feels trapped. This person feels like, yeah, I can let my hair down once in a while. Yeah, long hair don't care. I love it. Queen of Wands, take advantage of that energy. Three of Swords, so many of you may be feeling trapped because there's some heartache here from the past that you haven't let go of, and it's keeping you trapped. And there's a part of you that wants to let go of it, right? And you don't even want to be held down by it, but once in a while it kind of peeks into your mind, it goes into your mind, and it keeps you trapped. So begin to find the lessons from all of this heartache, betrayal, pain, right? Because this has happened. You can't, you know, what are you going to do? Continue to lament over it? You can't do that. Instead, find the lessons behind it. The Three of Swords, by the way, Libra, is your card, so you are showing up here in the core of your reading. Let go of this. Find balance in your life and let go of this pain and anguish. It's time to move forward. Four of Pentacles, let go of it, right? You're holding on so tightly to something here that it's consuming your heart and your mind. And that's the thing. If you cover up your heart and your mind, you may miss out on opportunities here that are being presented to you. So instead of joining and uniting with something that is meant for you, that is gifted to you by the universe, you're fighting yourself and you are holding on so tight. So be more like the Queen of Wands, who is just like, I don't care. I'm going to do what I want, right? I'm not going to be afraid to show the world who I truly am. Some of you are guarded, like this Four of Pentacles here. You're like guarding because you don't want to show people the true you, right? Or you don't want to open up your heart and your mind because you're afraid that this is going to happen to you again, right? You think that there's only one way that your relationships end up, but it's not true. It's not true. Be bold, be confident in yourself and what is available for you. Yeah, you're at a stalemate. There's a part of you here that may be considering and looking at this new possible relationship, and you're kind of stuck, and you're sitting here thinking to yourself, and again, by the way, this is your card, Libra. Two of Swords, you're thinking to yourself, I don't know. I'm at a stalemate. I'm torn. I'm torn between two lovers. I'm torn between two decisions. You can think about the past and keep trapped, or you can allow new opportunities and take advantage of it. It's up to you. You're going to have to trust your intuition. You're going to have to go within and find that balance and move forward, right? Trust your gut, trust your intuition. All right, Queen of Cups. Lead with your heart. Queen of Wands is very, very confident. She's, like I said, long hair, don't care. I don't care. I'm going to do what I want. I know who I am. I know my worth. Right? Very bold, very attractive too. The Queen of Cups, on the other hand, is kind of, you know, she's the nurturer, gives to everyone else. Make sure you're finding balance between the two. Yes, you're giving of yourself, but you've got to create some balance in your life where you're not giving, and not giving enough to yourself. If you deserve to have this love, this union, this connection, give it to yourself. Don't keep yourself closed up. Give it to yourself, because love is the most powerful energy in the universe. The Magician, you create your reality. You can truly manifest whatever it is that you truly desire for yourself. It's up to you. As above, so below. If you truly believe that you want something big for yourself, something loving and beautiful for yourself, you can create this for yourself. It's just, do not hang on to the past. Do not hang on to things that's going to keep you trapped here. Okay. All right. Yeah. See, regrets, living in the past. It's time to let go, because if you, and here's the thing with the 3 cups that have spilled, these 2, I always call these the 2 of cups. Very interesting, because you have the 2 of cups right here. So if you lift your head and see things from a different perspective, instead of dwelling on these 3 cups, dwelling in the past here, and see things from a different perspective, you can start something new for yourself, Libra. So see things from a different perspective. Give birth. Give birth to these new feelings, to this, whatever it is that you want for yourself. I like the Empress because she can manifest things. You know, she waves her scepter, things happen. She does not chase. She brings things to her, much like the Queen of Wands. She doesn't chase. She attracts energy to her. Know that you can create that for yourself and manifest whatever it is that you want. Some of you may be starting, like I said, starting a new relationship. Give birth to that, right? Allow that to happen. Let it flow. So focused energy here. This is great momentum, great energy coming towards you. You got to do something with it, right? You can't let that pass you by because you're sitting here in grief about the things that have happened in the past that you can't change. You can't change what has happened. You have to let go of it, find some meaning, find the lesson here, and then pick up these 2 cups and move forward. That's what this is. And see here, the World card, this is, like I said, forward. It's time to close things out. Understand that that's completed. This is done. This is over with. You've got to let it go, because you've got the World card here that says, look, it's time for you to complete that chapter and start something new. 9 of Wands. Keep fighting for yourself. Keep fighting for what you want, what you believe, what you love. The 9 of Wands here is also just, you know, the universe telling you, like, yeah, you've got grit. You've been through a lot, but it's time to stop fighting now. It's time to, you know, stop trying to prove something to yourself. You have it in you to move forward. It's just a matter of you making that decision, that very important decision. Excuse me. Sorry about that cough. All right, let's open up some angel cards here, see if you've got any repeats. Now, if any of the cards repeat, Libra, pay attention, okay? All right, 2 of water, 2 of cups. There's your repeat. A relationship that continues to grow closer. Forgiveness. The positive resolution of a conflict. So, time to move forward here. Excuse me while I cough. Hold on. All right, sorry about that. Yeah, so a resolution to a conflict, so that's beautiful. So many of you are advancing this relationship. I think many of you are going to choose to move forward and make this happen, because it does bring you a lot of joy, and it just kind of opens things up for yourself. Close out old chapters here and bring something new. Sorry about the cough. All right, 4 of air, so 4 of swords. Time to rest or take a vacation. Allow more time before making a decision. Meditation may provide answers. So remember when I said that many of you are kind of indecisive right now, kind of at a stalemate. Trusting your intuition, connecting with your higher self, right? Meditating, praying, whatever it is that you need to do to really slow things down a little bit and kind of connect with your higher self. That's what needs to happen. All right, here we go. Bottom of the deck, 9 of earth, so 9 of pentacles. Enjoy life's little luxuries. spending quiet time alone, successful self-employment. So those of you who are starting something new, because here you've got the Queen of Wands, who she's like the entrepreneur as well, right? She's very bold. She's very, you know, kind of just so charming that she can attract energy towards her. This is great energy. So those of you who are building a business, make sure you take the time to enjoy the luxuries, enjoy the fruits of your labor here, because if this is a career reading for you, you've got great momentum here. You're closing out new old chapters and starting something new. It's a big fight, you know. It's going to be a test of your will, but move forward nonetheless. You're going to be just fine, especially since you've got the energy of the Queen of Wands here. So, but hopefully you guys got something out of this. I'm going to link the playlist to the end screen here for all of the other zodiac signs and also your tarot readings, Libra. So if you'd like to take a look at that as well. Also remember the importance of your rising sign and moon sign. So hopefully you check out all of the other playlists. So check that out. It's connected to this video. All right. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. We'll talk soon. Have a great day. Bye.